Hello, this is Aiden from Geoguk. Welcome to our customer's packing house, which is located in one of the most famous citrus production area, which is Wumin. Now we are at our client's mandarin growing farm. And as you can see, all the mandarins are ready for harvest. After harvesting, the mandarins will be sent to our packing house for further processing, such as washing, waxing, and most important is the optical sorting. And now please follow me to our customer's packing house to see the machine, how the machine is working for the washing, waxing, and optical sorting. All the raw materials are loading here for further processing. So this is the receiving pool for the citrus. And we keep going, and the citrus will go into the brush washing machine. And the surface of the citrus will be brushed by this soft brusher and clean the surface of the citrus. After the brush washing, the citrus will go into the chemical treatment tank. The chemical treatment can help for the citrus to keep a longer shelf life. After the chemical treatment tank, the citrus will go to the brush drying machines. With the help of the brush and the high-speed fan, the surface of the citrus will be dried. And this is the waxing machine. With the help of the go back and forth waxing devices and the horsehair brush, we can make sure the wax can evenly spread on the citrus. And this is a warm air drying machine to dry the citrus after waxing. This is the roller feeding conveyor to feed the citrus to our optical and weighing sorting machine. Some configurations can also be expanded to include internal quality detection, ensuring uniform appearance and stable quality of the fruit, significantly increase product added value. After the citrus enters the equipment, it first undergoes precise weighing with a weigh error controlled within plus and minus 2 grams. Then a high-definition vision system performs comprehensive identification of color and surface defects, accurately separating even minor bruises and spots. The entire conveying and sorting structure adopts a soft contact design, effectively reduce fruit damage and protect farmers' income. If you are looking for an efficient and reliable citrus processing line, please contact us, Geoguk, to make food production simpler and safer.